Christina right here, Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. So excited. You inquired about this Tucson. I have the very one that you inquired about. It is the Value Edition in Coliseum Gray. This vehicle has a beautiful waterfall grille in the front, wraparound LED headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels. You also get a beautiful external turn indicator signal, push button start, as well as proximity key. Come on in and let's take a look at it. Along with a 7-inch screen backup cam, this vehicle comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated seats, dual climate control. It also comes with automatic trunk, blind spot warning, just to name a few things. And of course, our favorite feature, the panoramic sunroof. So not only will you get an amazing amount of space with a beautiful interior, an awesome exterior color, you'll get America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 new car warranty. 10-year, 100,000 is the powertrain. And exclusively here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years and 200,000 miles. You can't beat it. So come on down and see me, Christina, 205-314-0301, where you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.